Hello student, our next point is consistency of data. Consistency of data means is of two types, consistent or inconsistent. So if some frequencies are found to be negative, then the data is said to be inconsistent. And if some frequencies are found to be non-negative, that is positive, then data is said to be consistent. So, the necessary and sufficient condition for the consistency of a set of independent class frequency is that no ultimate class frequency is negative. Next, conditions for consistency of data. First condition, for a single attribute A, the condition of consistency is A open bracket A is greater or equal 0. Second, open bracket alpha is greater or equal 0, which implies open bracket A less equal capital N. Second, for two attributes A and B, the condition of consistency are first, open bracket AB greater or equal 0. Second, open bracket A beta greater or equal 0, which implies open bracket AB less equal open bracket A. Third, open bracket alpha B greater than equal 0, which implies open bracket AB less equal open bracket B. Fourth, open bracket alpha beta greater or equal 0, which implies open bracket AB greater or equal open bracket A plus open bracket B minus capital N. Now we see one example. Example is, in a village there are 500 adults. Out of these 100 adults are literate and 150 are employed. There are 150 adults who are literate as well as employed. Then check whether the information is consistent or not. Then construct solution. Let capital A is literate adult and capital B is employed adult. Then alpha is illiterate adult and capital beta is unemployed adult. So from this given data is capital N is equal to 500 and open bracket A is 100, that is literate adult is 100 and employed adult is 150, that is capital B open bracket B is 150 and there are 150 adults who are literate as well as employed, that is open bracket A B is equal to 150. Then the remaining class frequencies are calculated by using the table given below. So write down table. A alpha, B beta, total, open bracket AB, open bracket A beta, open bracket alpha B, open bracket alpha beta capital open bracket A open bracket alpha open bracket B open bracket beta n. So here put the given things, that is capital N is 500, next open bracket A is 100, open bracket B is 150 and open bracket AB is 150. Then we know that capital N is equal to open bracket A plus open bracket alpha, which is equal to open bracket B plus open bracket beta, equation 1. Second, open bracket A is equal to open bracket AB plus open bracket A beta, equation 2. Open bracket B is equal to open bracket AB plus open bracket alpha B, equation 3. Then open bracket alpha is equal to open bracket alpha B plus open bracket alpha beta, 4th, and open bracket beta is equal to open bracket A beta plus open bracket alpha beta, equation number 5th. Then consider equation number 2nd. Then from second, open bracket A is equal to open bracket AB plus open bracket A beta. Then from given data we know that open bracket A is 100 and open bracket AB is 150. That is 100, which is equal to open bracket AB is 150 plus open bracket A beta. So open bracket A beta is equal to 100 minus 150, which is equal to minus 50. Open bracket A beta is minus 50. Then from equation 3rd, open bracket B is equal to open bracket AB plus open bracket alpha B. Then from given data we know that open bracket B is 150, which is equal to open bracket AB is 150 plus open bracket alpha B. Then open bracket alpha B is equal to 150 minus 150, which is equal to 0. And from 5th equation, capital N is equal to open bracket A plus open bracket alpha. Then value of capital N is 500, which is equal to open bracket A is 100 plus alpha, open bracket alpha. Then open bracket alpha is 400, that is 500 minus 100 is 400. And capital N is equal to open bracket B plus open bracket beta, and capital N is 500, which is equal to open bracket B is 150 plus open bracket beta. Then open bracket beta is equal to 500 minus 150 is 350. Then consider the last equation is from 4th, capital alpha, open bracket alpha is equal to open bracket alpha B plus open bracket alpha beta. Then value of open bracket alpha is 400, which is equal to open bracket alpha B is 0 plus alpha beta. Then open bracket alpha beta is equal to 400. Here we find all the remaining class frequencies. Now open bracket A beta is equal to minus 50. Next, open bracket alpha B is 0. Open bracket alpha beta is 400. Open bracket alpha is equal to also 400. Then open bracket beta is equal to 350. Here we check information is consistent or not. For a condition of condition for consistency of data, we know for two attributes A B, if all open bracket AB, open bracket A beta, open bracket alpha B, open bracket alpha beta greater or equal 0, then this is the consistent. Here open bracket A beta is only minus 50, that is this is less equal 0, so this information is inconsistent. See, then since open bracket A beta which is equal to minus 50 which is less than 0, hence the data is inconsistent.